This is the original jujube. Jujube fruit comes from a small, gorgeous, very productive tree. Jujubes, when they first start to ripen, look like this, and they're crisp. And they taste like apple with a taste of like almond and caramel in it. Very crunchy, very sweet. They're about 30% sugar by weight at this stage. Then they start to change color. They'll start to turn this beautiful mahogany. Feel a little bit of green in there. Also, very tasty at this stage. A little more spongy, more sugar to it. Probably more like 50% sugar in these. More caramel notes. Oh yeah. Super good. There's one seed in there, and the rest is delicious flesh. Then keep it on the tree, and it becomes completely wrinkled, super concentrated in sugars, up to 70% sugar in this little baby. And at this stage, they start to get a little spongy, like a date. That's why they're also called Chinese date. Bite this one. So even on the tree, they dry nicely. They're not rotting. You can also pick them off the ground very easily. I love jujubes, and they really balance your energy out by eating them. They're one of Chinese medicine's top fruits. So delicious, gorgeous tree, and medicinal. What's not to love? Plant some jujubes.